Central American Relief Efforts is a nonprofit that's based out of Lancaster, Pennsylvania, and we do humanitarian aid work in the southern part of Honduras, really focusing in the areas of health and education. In order to travel with us, volunteers don't need to have any medical experience. We do some basic training with them. The volunteers aren't themselves doing consults with patients.
145 over 82. Gracias.
A lot of times people will walk for hours to get to where we're hosting these medical clinics. There's always chaos when you arrive.
It was shocking. I mean, everyone was there waiting for us. It was as if there was about to be some great concert, and they kept coming.
You could see it in their face that they weren't comfortable. They were hurting. I mean, really, it is relief that we're giving them.
Para mí significa mucho porque es una gran bendición para nosotros, porque pues, en este país, verdad, se necesita mucho y a veces ni medicinas hay en los hospitales, en los centros de salud, y que venga esta oportunidad pues para uno pues hay de aprovecharla porque es una bendición.
Estas brigadas generalmente llegan a los lugares donde más dificultades económicas hay, a los lugares donde el gobierno prácticamente no apoya, o sea, prácticamente donde no llegan recursos del gobierno. Muy difícil es poder creer o entender cómo puede morir un niño por la falta de atención médica, cómo a veces los familiares mismos no lo llevan a los centros asistenciales porque no tienen los recursos.
There was a lot of people that were coming here for the medicines that they needed, and basic medicines like aspirin, Tylenol, cold medicine, things that we take for granted every day, but things like that mean the world to them, and it can be the difference between life and death to them.
Más neurobiome?
No one deserves to live impoverished. It's not fair to anybody.
Well, these people really appreciate us being able to bring them dental, eye care, medical care, and all kind of services we provide for the people. That is very important. And when you talk to the people, they just let you know that and they bless you. It's very important to me that actually do that for Central American Relief, because helping people is something I really appreciate.
We have never really needed anything. Like, we've never had the feeling of like that we have needed something, and to be able to give somebody that is great.
I'm usually a pretty big complainer, and quite frankly, that clinic was hot. I was sweaty, I was tired, but for some reason I sort of enjoyed it.
It was what I told myself I should expect, but I don't think I was prepared for what I really get to see and just how much it really impacts the way you view things. I didn't know that I'd get to feed 3 kids who haven't eaten in 2 days. And until you experience that, you can't really prepare for it.
It was a day I'll never forget, that's for sure. It was crazy. It's intense.
I don't speak a lot of Spanish, but I saw how meaningful it was to people whenever I just say hola or look at them and smile, and so I want to do that even more tomorrow.
We work in the Department of Choluteca, which is in the southern region of Honduras.
I would say that Honduras is a paradise. The south is a little hot, but we can hold it.
I love Honduras. The scenery, it's beautiful. 360-degree view of mountains everywhere you turn. I mean, it's never ending. I make friends here. I go home. People talk to me on Facebook. People ask me when I'm coming down. People are excited for me to come down.
My first impression of Honduras as a country, it's very beautiful. I didn't expect the topography to be the way it was. I didn't expect mountains and everything.
This morning we're just standing there waiting, and the little kid's walking to school, and he's tired, and he walks by us and he goes, "Good morning" in English. And I just thought that was the funniest thing. Everybody's just so friendly.
It's worth to come, and it's worth to come and see the people, how warm they are, how welcoming they receive you, and how nice they treat you.
We've really created a very safe environment for our volunteers. We always travel with security. Our Honduran staff is amazing. Marvin and Beatrice and their 3 sons are almost always with the groups, and just really create an environment that makes everybody feel like family. Beatrice owns a restaurant, and so we always have all of our meals either at her restaurant or meals that are sent with us that have been made by her restaurant. I'm amazed at the number of times I hear people say, well, if I would have known the food was this good, I would have started doing mission trips years ago. You have good food, you have an air-conditioned room to sleep in at night, but at the same time you're able to go out and see the needs of the very poor communities that also exist in these areas and really go out and do something about it.